The opportunity is what I fell in love with. The opportunity to work from wherever I want, when I want, and make money online was what I fell in love with. And this is for those of you that are afraid to start or you're on the struggle bus. I've been there. I've struggled. And when I began, I was afraid to start because I was afraid of judgment. I was afraid of failure. And I just didn't think that I was going to be able to show up here on these videos and make content. And I've learned that skill because I kept doing it over and over. I'm here to let you guys know. You, in my opinion, you should start. This has been amazing for me. And I started learning that skill, never knowing, never believing that I would be where I am today. I'm truly generating money every month, and it's a significant amount. And if I would have never started, I wouldn't be where I am today. I wouldn't be starting to live more comfortably, not stressing about how much money I have, because I used to stress out about that. Where am I going to get the extra money to pay this bill? Or how am I going to go out and have fun? And, I have bills to pay. I would use my credit card a lot. My credit card would build and be, have tons of money on it. But I said yes to an opportunity. And I was like, I'm going to learn this no matter what, no matter how long it takes me, because it's a hell of a lot better than staying stuck in my 9 to 5, which is my 12-hour shift healthcare job for the next 20 years. So I've learned the skill, and I'm even still learning. But I want to let you know the only reason I'm here right now is because I didn't quit. I didn't give up. Well, number one, I took action, and then I didn't quit, and I didn't give up. So I'm here just to let you know, if you are on the struggle bus, don't quit. Keep pushing through, show up every day, be consistent. That is key. Be consistent, keep learning, okay? And follow a handful of people that are doing the same thing as you. And, keep them kind of in your back pocket just to see what they're doing. But you can learn a skill, high income skill, and change your life. So if you are looking for an opportunity, I have that over in my Stand store where you can learn how to build a business online, marketing, automation, and you have a great community to go with that.